Rural Valley Cemetery, it's called. Turn the radio off. And Vardy's up the back. Still cold out, it's still 28 degrees out there, so it's chilly willies. Lots of frost on the ground. Snow still left. About a week ago this would have been covered in snow, but we've had some warmer weather. We also did a bit, well, quite a lot actually. Oh. If I can get a, let me see if I can. I'm gonna drive on these people, but if I can do this, I don't know if you can see it. It's the stone with the cap on top. So you got this black one in front, little black one behind, and the grey says Hoffman. To the right of that is his grave site. So let me park the car. I'll turn the camera off and manually take it with us. Alright. Let's see if this damn thing works. GoPro, stop recording. Damn, man. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, I've got the camera in my hand. So let's go on. That was a long drive. That was about an hour and a half or so driving. So this is the headstone. So I'm standing at the foot of the grave right now. And well, let me go down like this so you can see it. And I'll walk around. And he loved fleur-de-lis, so I have fleur-de-lis on it. That's the side of it. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, here we go. And then around the back. So I'm not quite sure if you can pick up the writing. Let me get it out of the sun. It says, "Say not in grief he is no more, but live in thankfulness that he was." And then I'll come around, same thing on this side. And then the front, excuse me while I stand on you. It's got both our names. And the phrase up the top says, "Ain't it nice this life we found each other." That's a lyric from a Jason Mraz song called "Love Someone." So anyway, that's the, get my shadow out of the way. So that's the stone. And in the spring I'll plant, and I might do a brick border or something. And I did bring flowers to lay on his, near the stone there. So let's go get those. I'll show you the vehicle that you've been traveling in. It's I don't know if you can see it. No. It's called a Rogue in the States, but I think everywhere else in the world it's called a X-Trail. And it's blue, navy, dark navy blue, not my favorite color. I wanted a silver one. But this one had all the bells and whistles and was the right price. So I traded Arthur's Altima in, my Chevrolet I gave to my nephew Connor, which he drives to work. So that's the front of it. So let's get the flowers. Which are yellow daisies. There are the flowers. Leading down. I'll come back. I'm going to turn the camera off in a minute and I'll come back and fix all those up. But anyway, this is a cemetery. I'll do a little span across. I don't know how. All these graves here that you can see all the way down are all Chinese. There's a big Chinese community here. These are all Chinese peoples, and they have some weird tradition with citrus fruit. See over here, I don't know if you can pick that up, but I don't know if I should be filming this, but whatever. There's see the fruit down there on the ground. They do this, and there's a bottle of soda. They do this strange thing, but anyway. So this is the cemetery. You're going to go in a bit of sunlight here. Peaceful. In hindsight, I probably wouldn't have chosen it, and I probably definitely wouldn't have chosen this plot within the cemetery. But at the time of things, I did not have a voice to. I just went along with things. So I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to spend a little time with Vardy, and then I'm going to drive to port and spend some time with Esther and Tanya. And I might turn the camera back on when we're leaving port, so you can get a view on the way out of port, and we'll take it from there. See you later. Oh, sorry, that was me.